Always put it in slow. Don't drop it in, because it'll flare up, run over, catch on fire, burn your fucking house down.
You ever put them in alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
A couple times.
Yeah.
Feathers don't taste too good though.
You gotta pull the feathers off. Put a bald turkey in.
Mango!
Light your ass up. Hey, come here.
Be very careful putting it in there, boys, I'm telling you.
That.
Oh, it's done.
That.
Sushi turkey.